Hi, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to See Winner Baby Design. On today's episode, I will be making the Cricut face mask with an iron-on. What you need to do this DIY project is you need a Cricut Maker or a Cricut Explorer 2. You will need a mini easy press or a home iron. You will need Cricut Everyday brown vinyl, white vinyl, red vinyl, and you would need black and pink glitter. Let's get started. If you didn't check out my last video, how I came up with this design, it's called How to Make a Custom Canvas Shoes with a Cricut Maker. So check that video out. So what I am doing is basically adjusting the font to how I want it. I want it to look like more of a logo on the face mask. So what I'm doing is adjusting the curves and also placing the Minnie Mouse head in the middle to check to see how it looks. You can make it smaller than what I have it on my face mask because I like the things big. You can adjust it and make it smaller to whatever size you want. What we're going to do is go ahead and put the easy press on the face mask. I'm using my bigger easy press because I don't have the mini. So the next step I'm about to get ready to do is to place the words onto the face mask and use the painter's tape to tape it down to hold it in place so it doesn't move when you're putting the easy press on it. You may not be able to see the words what it said because of the same color as the pattern, but once you put on the white outline vinyl, it's going to pop. The way how I do my iron-on, I set it up like a assembly line. What I'll do first is I'll go ahead and do all the glitter first because since that has to be on a higher heat than the vinyl. So I do both sides. I press it twice and then I flip it over and put the everyday easy vinyl onto the image. I like how the pattern ended up turning out onto the face mask. I feel like the white burnt out the red a little bit more. If you would like it a little bit smaller, like I said, you can make adjustments to it to way how you like it. One thing I would recommend is not to put it near the area where you're going to be breathing at, because it will be hard to breathe. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.